On June 27, Superman and Lois 13 and the final episode of Season 3 will premiere. There will be a lot of excitement. Lex Luthor makes a move that raises the stakes to an entirely new level. His presence has always been a force to be reckoned with, and his actions in this episode as Superman's famous arch-adversary will definitely send shockwaves across Smallville. Luthor's devious schemes and manipulations have the ability to shatter the very foundations of our hero's life. Everyone in Smallville gathers to see a meteor shower, according to the official synopsis. This motif corresponds to the notion that true strength is acquired not only from physical qualities but also from the ability to persevere in the face of hardship. As Lex Luthor successfully makes his move, the final pieces of the puzzle fit together. What would you like to see most in a future episode? The episode will leave us wondering what happens to Superman and Lois in the future.